What is going on, YouTube family, and welcome to another video. If you guys are new here, take 2 seconds out of your day, smash that subscribe button so we can keep on growing together, getting better together, and improving little by little every single day to achieve our goals while spreading Africa and while spreading positivity to the world. And the world is always a curious place, so one of the most commonly asked questions I get all the time on my channel is, how much money do I make? People are always asking, how much are people paying me to promote videos? I'm only doing Ghana videos to get paid, get ad revenue and everything, which is far from the case. So all these keyboard warriors, after I'm showing you this, you'll have no more ammo to use. And also, just to be transparent, show you guys a little bit into the back end of it. And then I'll do a little bit more in-depth video later on in the week for you guys to see. But I just want to say, as if making money is your primary goal of doing something and not doing it for the passion, not doing it for the love, you're not going to go anywhere. I primarily make YouTube videos because it makes me happy, and it honestly, I couldn't think of anything better to be doing. I love the process, from videoing to putting the video together to putting it online, answering comments, communicating with my audience, and I absolutely love it. But I'm rambling now. It's absolutely freezing here, going off topic, and let's jump into the video. If we take a look through here, you can see that it is my channel with my picture up on the left with all my most current videos that I've done, and we're going to be looking at the last 7 days to show you guys my earnings are 7 days, last few weeks in June, and then June, July. Make it down, you can see these are just the top viewing videos at this time, but let's go up and see it. Also, my previous video didn't do too well, slightly different, but just trying new things. The last 7 days I have around 150,000 views, 6,500 watch hours, 2,000 subscribers gained, and 0.04 Rand, South African Rand, which is the equivalent of around 0.002 US dollars. Now, if I take you guys and let's go down to June, see what I made so far in June. Also around 350,000 views, 15,500 watch hours, 4,000 subscribers gained, and 0.43 Rand, which is equivalent to like $0.02 dollars. But down here you can see again my top videos during this period of time, but you will also see on the right hand side my last 48 hours hasn't been that good, especially that my video didn't catch on. Normally it's much higher than that. And then the last month or so, over June, July, around 1 million views, 37,000 watch hours, 8,500 subscribers gained, which is pretty good, and then 1.13 Rand, which is like 0.5 of a US dollar. So more of just the top rated videos and the top view videos on my time. So I hope that gave you guys a little bit more insight, a little bit more background to see that people see a lot of views, they see 1 million views, and they think people are absolutely coining it with money. I can't speak for anyone else, I can only speak for myself. I know a couple other creators have gone out and showed that isn't primarily how they make their income. A lot of them is from doing sponsored videos and working with brands, which I would one day love to do, be able to grow an audience enough where I can work with brands that I actually believe in and I use myself. So that would be great to do one day. But just a little things to take notice of: to be able to monetize your content on YouTube, you need at least 1,000 subscribers, 10,000 views being watched, and 4,000 watch hours. That's the last time I checked. That is what it is. But I'm not going to be hypocritical and say I'm never going to make money off YouTube, because obviously I would like to turn my side hustle into my main hustle. But I just love the process. I love what I'm doing. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So like I said, take 2 seconds out of your day, smash that subscribe button so we can grow together, get better together, and improve little by little every single day to achieve our goals.